TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all the indices in the green. And when I say all, I do mean all. And that includes the spot volatility index. She's trading up just slightly, trading out of 9 pennies at 27.77. But that's an unusual divergence when you have the S&P 500 up 44 points, 1 4/10%. So nothing to be alarmed about today. But if this little trend continues, rising price along with a higher closing low in the spot volatility index, it is telling you about danger ahead. So no danger just yet, but certainly a warning sign out here. So you got the Dow up 349. Let's start with the Dow tail, or maybe just focus on the Dow. Take a look at it. So sounds good. It's up, trading down to 26,174. But the reality about the Dow, still weak. Now, it's gained a little bit of strength today. We'll see where the close is. And I'm really referring to Stevie's green line, which is priced at 117 maybe, 26,111. So that's the number to be watching today. Now, you can see here, or we should be able to see, inside the Dow, that this topped with a TD9 count. And a TD, you'll see bar number 9. And when this identifies tops or bottoms, it'll be on bars 8, 9, or the bar following 9, whichever one of those makes the highest high. And in this case, it has to be one of those bars that makes the highest high of that pattern out here. And so we can see that the topping pattern is still in place for the Dow. It's really just been trading sideways. So it is the weak link out there. Now, what is not the weak link is the NDX 100. So let's go take a look at it. Now, when I say it's not weak, I mean it's not weak because price is above, well, it doesn't have any topping pattern that has been triggered just yet. It's at new all-time highs, but it is making those new all-time highs with a lack of energy. And folks, it's much like, I don't know if you're an athlete, if you are an athlete, if you played hockey or you run, whatever it might be, let's say you're on you're a hockey player. Have you ever tried to skate up and down that ice for 60 seconds, just one solid minute at your all-out pace? Well, what happens is if you've done that, you know how you get out of energy. And if they keep you on the ice out there, well, that's when things can go awry. What would be getting off the ice inside the NDX 100 would be a bearish reversal candle. Not today necessarily, but tomorrow, the next day, we see that would set the hook at the top. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show if you're off to start your Monday. Have a magnificent one. We'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.